Hi, and welcome back to Feed Your Brother. We're going to make a little fresh salsa today. We've already made the salsa. I'm going to walk you through the process. Had some video editing problems. It's the joy of making YouTube videos. Alright, you're going to start off with a small onion. Use a yellow onion. Used up all the cilantro, but about a quarter bunch of cilantro. I use a 1.5 large serranos, or you can use 2 large jalapenos. I like serranos, they're a little spicier. You're going to need some acidity, which is either lemon, lime, or maybe apple cider vinegar. Don't try to use white vinegar or red wine or any of those vinegars. Don't use balsamic. You're going to use a can of whole stewed tomatoes. I use some fire roasted ones, a 28-ounce can. What I did, I have a smaller food processor that I use to make salsa, and it just fits the right amount of stuff. With that, I start off with the onions, peppers, cilantro in the food processor, kind of give them a chop up, and it helps the can of tomatoes fit in there just perfect. Don't drain the juice off because you need the juice to help blend into this food processor. Then once you add your can of tomatoes, you're going to add your citrus and some kosher salt. I use about a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt and then 1/2 of a large lemon or 1 full lime. There's just so much juice in these big lemons. You're going to blend it. Takes about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes. After that, you've got fresh salsa. It tastes so much better than what you're going to buy in a jug at the store or a jar at the store. And then all of this costs much less, and you get twice the amount as that jar of salsa you get from the store. Thanks for watching Feed Your Brother. Question, comments below. Please like and ring the little bell. Ring the little bell. Every time I post a video, you get a notification. Thanks for tuning in. See you soon.